The hallmark of the unionized finishing industry is quality work completed on time and on budget. Those who work in the finishing trades, regardless of their individual craft, are well-trained and highly skilled. Their district council training centers see to that. Top-notch trainers are essential to constantly replenish the pool of skilled labor. But how does the unionized industry ensure that its trainers are the best they can be? The answer is the Finishing Trades Institute, jointly run by the International Union of Painters and Allied Trades and its signatory contractors.
The mission of the FTI is to bring in trainers from around North America here to the National Training Center. Give them the most modern technology, the training that they need to meet the manufacturer's specs, to go back to their district councils and their local unions and give their folks the tools that they need to be the most productive and effective workers for their employers.
The heart of the Finishing Trades Institute is a curriculum that addresses the realities of the job site and the ever-changing technology of the crafts.
The key is to bring the right people around the table. That would include the contractors, that would include the manufacturers, and of course would include the workers to find out what their needs are. Taking their input and developing the curriculum in a sound, standard way across the board. So all of our workers are getting the same curriculum based on the needs from the contractor.
While a curriculum may look good on paper, its value depends on the way it is carried out. Sarah Coyne is a painter by trade who has earned the title of Master Instructor. Her job at the Finishing Trades Institute is to implement its rigorous curriculum.
Most of us come from the trades and we're good mechanics with the tools, but that doesn't necessarily, automatically make us a good instructor. With classes such as teaching techniques, it gives an instructor the tools that they need to go back and create a course outline, create a course objectives, how to set up a room effectively, how to dress sometimes, how to present professionally, and in a manner that the students that they're training can buy into.
We get to take it back to the apprentice and let them understand what safety is all about, and this is where it starts.
Well, I think it's evident that they're raising the bar in their level of professionalism, in their training, and how seriously they take their responsibility in the trade. As far as the safety of the individual, I think for the employer too, they're putting out more trained experts in their field, and I think that's going to be a valuable tool in the marketplace.
The contractors, I think it's an overall good turnaround. It's cheaper rates on insurance because our guys are safety trained, more qualified on equipment.
If they don't have that, they cannot compete. It's crucial to the contractors that their partners on the labor side make sure that the labor they have out there is the highest quality in all areas.
It's a blended approach we take where we have classroom materials. Obviously the apprentices and the journey workers will sit in class and take like a lecture style or a discussion around table form. But the important piece is making that connection and making sure that information applies to the hands-on approach that we're doing here at the training center and like they'll do when they take that back to their local.
That's top of the line. They don't leave anything out, okay? They put a whole lot of thought into it, a whole lot of planning. They make efficient use of the time, and it's constant interaction. They don't let the class just sit there and listen to a lecture. They involve you. It's just grade A training.
We're able to bring it back to our members, our apprentices, and our journeymen and teach them the proper techniques. And I think the contractors see that, that we know how to do it well, and do it safely.
One of the Institute's most valuable assets is its brand new state-of-the-art facility located between Washington and Baltimore in Hanover, Maryland. It's fully equipped for all conceivable classroom and hands-on training scenarios, offering year-round train-the-trainer courses and even equipped to provide classes electronically to trainers thousands of miles away.
The facility offers the most high-tech classroom training equipment for our trainers coming in and do the train-the-trainer. And our lab facility offers areas where our folks can come down and do hands-on. So they combined it with classroom, hands-on, take it back to the members, and complete the mission.
While having a state-of-the-art facility available to provide the curriculum that we're developing makes my job easy. Every week we'll be turning out the best of the best instructors to bring home the latest technology to their apprentices and their journeymen. That will give us an upper hand in the future as far as marketing, organizing, and providing the training to our contractors, which ultimately is who we serve.
On a regular basis, the FTI invites to its facility manufacturers who make tools and other products related to our crafts. They provide demonstrations and instruction on their latest merchandise, helping to keep our trainers on the cutting edge of the newest and most innovative developments in the industry. By the same token, our instructors provide feedback to help manufacturers modify their products to meet the real needs of the job site.
We reach out to them because they already have manuals and they have R&D, and we bring them in here, sit down with myself and 2 other curriculum writers to produce the final product.
The Finishing Trades Institute brings together all of the key players in the industry to prepare a workforce that is second to none. It goes to the source, to the trainers who directly prepare those workers by instilling the skills that make them the very best. The Finishing Trades Institute creates a winning situation for everyone involved.
The FTI will train our folks, will guarantee our contractors are going to have a skilled workforce within all the trades that we represent to continue to bid work and continue to put our members to work, grow the union, grow the industry, and grow their companies.